Hey you guys, it's Ms. M. Happy Thursday. First, let me start by saying thank you for opening this video and for coming to class, especially in my absence. I'm very sorry that I can't be with you all right now, but I'm really eager about what you have in store, and I'm really excited to hear about it when I get back. This video is going to offer you a brief overview of exactly what I would like you to accomplish during today's math class. With that being said, I'm going to only allow myself one final take of this video. So if I mess up, we're just gonna have to pretend that it's live. That'll make it feel more real though, right? I appreciate you playing along. Shall we get started? Here's an overview of today's schedule. It should look familiar, and it can be found in Schoology under the folder titled Thursday, October 15th. When you open the folder, it looks something like this. Notice that the schedule is located at the top, and there are several pages and assignments below. When you click the schedule, this image will appear. This will help you keep track of both your time and your tasks that are due today. As always, we will begin with 20 minutes of independent work time. Here are your options. Quick reminder for anyone who is still yet to complete the iReady diagnostic, please do that now. Everyone else, please choose from one of these options. After 20 minutes of independent work time, I'd like for you to complete, you guessed it, a quiz is. Because I can't host a live quiz like usual, you'll need to access the link through the folder in Schoology. It should be pretty simple, but do let me know when I return if there's any issues. Once you've completed your quiz is, please watch Module 1, Lesson 11 daily video. It lasts exactly 11 minutes, 11 seconds. Make a wish. After you watch the video, take a break. As usual, do something during your 10-minute break that is going to help you be successful for the remainder of class. You know what to do. And when you get back from your break, please complete Lesson 11 coursework while watching the video. Yes, I think it's a great idea to watch the video more than once and complete the coursework while you are watching the video. When you finish the coursework, please complete the Lesson 11 exit ticket. You can submit this on Schoology, through Teams, or in an email. Finally, please complete the Google form using the link in Schoology to earn your participation points for the day. I will also be using these forms to count you as present or absent. So please be sure to fill out this form before the end of your class period. And that's it. The rest is up to you. So I so appreciate you guys again for being here, for coming to class, for watching the whole video, and I'm really excited to hear about how this experience goes when I return. If you need me, you can certainly send me a message on Teams or email, and I will respond to you as soon as possible. I'm really, really excited to talk about this experience, and I can't wait to look over all of your hard work. Thanks, you guys. Have a wonderful Thursday, and I will see you on Friday. Take care, you guys.